Hi, welcome to Mythical Math. This is our first video. Today we're going to be talking about how to add fractions. First, let's look at equation 1. Equation 1 is 2/4 plus 1/4. How do you do this? No worry, I'll tell you. 4, let's say, both of the denominators are 4. So if they have the same denominators, you just put what they are. So in this case, it's 4, because both the denominators are 4. Now let's look at the numerators. If the denominators are same, well in this case they are, you can just add the numerators. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and voila! 3/4 is the answer. Now let's look at question 2. Why don't you try it for yourself? If you want, pause the video and try to figure it out yourself. Now go ahead, because I'm going to tell you the answer now. In this case, both denominators have 8, so it's just 8, and 5 plus 2 is 7. So yeah. Now we're going to look at another scenario about what if the denominators are not the same. Then what do? Don't worry, it's actually quite simple. In this case, what if we have 7, 4 as the denominators? You just multiply them. 7 times 4 is 28. Now let's look at the numerators. 3 and 1. You don't add them. In this time, we're going to learn something new called cross multiplication. You multiply these two numbers and these two numbers. Let's try that. In this case, 3 times 4 is 12. 7 times 1 is 7. And 12 plus 7 is 19. Answer is 19/29. Now, let's look at this equation 4. The question is 4/5 plus 1/3. How do you do it? Why don't you try this for yourself? And if you want, pause the video and see if you can do it by yourself. But now I'm going to tell you the answer. 5 times 3 is 15. Let's look at the numerator. For this, you cross simplify. So 3 times 4 is 12, and 1 plus times 5 is 5, and it's 17/15. So that's the answer. Voila! Well, that's it. Hope you liked it. Please drop down a like and put on a comment to see if you want to learn anything else new, and subscribe, because I would really appreciate that. See you next time on Mythical Math.